Hello friends, today we will discuss on a course called Digital Principles and System Design CS 8351. It belongs to the regulation 2017. Second year CSE as well as IT students will be studying this course. Before going to the introduction about this topic, I would like to tell why we need digital. The main advantage of going for digital communication over analog communication is in digital communication, noise interference on the signal will be very less. As well as the components used in digital will be cheaper when compared to an analog component, so that you can transmit the signal over long distances with less interference and noise. That is the main advantage of going for digital. That's why we always speak about a concept called digital signal processing. Okay, we are always interested in processing a digital signal rather than analog signal, as well as the processing equipment used in DSP, that is digital signal processing, will be somewhat cheaper when compared to analog signal processing. Okay, today we will discuss a Okay, today we will discuss a topic, very interesting topic called NAND and NOR implementation. It means that, say for example, consider a logic circuit. Okay, that logic circuit may be composed of different types of gates, such as OR gates, AND gate, NOR gate. The main objective of this NAND and NOR implementation is, whatever may be the type of gate, whether it is an AND gate or OR gate or NOR gate, convert all the gates in terms of NAND and NOR. That is, my circuit should consist only of NAND gate or NOR gate. Why we need to convert into only NAND gate as well as NOR gate? Because NAND and NOR are called universal gates. That's why we try to convert all the gates present in a circuit only in terms of NAND and NOR. Okay. Students can answer this question. Why NAND and NOR gates are called universal gates? Students can pause this video, think over a minute, and try to answer this question. Okay. Answer for this question is, NAND and NOR gate are called universal gates because all the type of gate can be constructed using NAND and NOR. That's why it is called universal gate. NAND and NOR implementation. In this topic, we will discuss about the basic gate design using universal gates, as well as implementation of various Boolean functions using universal gates. Boolean function is a function which can take two logic values. Those values are logic 1 as well as logic 0. Logic 1 is a true state, logic 0 is a false statement. A gate that can be used to create any logic gate is called universal gate. That's why we say NAND and NOR gate are called universal gates. As well as any type of Boolean function can be created using AND OR logic as well as NOT logic. AND OR and NOT gates and OR and NOT gates can be implemented using NAND and NOR. Not only these gates, as well as an XOR and XNOR gates can also be implemented using NAND and NOR. That is, any type of gate you can take it. Say for example, it is AND gate, OR gate, or NAND gate. Any type of gate though that can be converted into only in terms of NAND and NOR. This is the main objective of NAND and NOR implementation. Next is we are going to see we are going to consider an OR gate, how to convert into NAND gate. To convert NOR gate into NAND gate, we need to type two inputs and it is given as a single input. Okay, and this NOR gate functions can be performed by using this NAND gate if two inputs of the NAND gate are shorted and given as a single input. Say for example, if we give the value of A as 1, we will be getting the output Q as 0. If we give the input 0, output will be 1. Next is an AND gate. To convert AND gate into NAND gate, we need to add bubble at the end of the gate. Okay, and since my logic function is inverted here, I need to invert using another inverter. So the series combination of two NAND gate is equivalent to AND gate. Next comes an OR gate. How to convert an OR gate to NAND gate? This is a structure. To converting AND gate to NAND gate, we will add bubble in the end, that is at the end of the gate. To convert OR gate to NAND gate, we need to add the bubble at the input of the gate. Okay, so there will be a bubble at the input. If we add bubble at the input, to cancel that bubble, we will be adding an inverter at the two inputs. Okay, say for example, the input is X here and here the input is Y. You are going to add two bubbles here. To cancel the bubble in X, we will be adding an inverter. To cancel the bubble in Y, we will be adding another inverter to Y. Okay, and these two are the inverters. Inverter implementation of NAND gate. And this bubbled OR gate, that is input, bubble present at the input of OR gate is equivalent to NAND gate. Okay, what is the output of OR gate? If the inputs are A and B, it is A plus B. Okay, here also you can apply the input A as well as B. Here the output is A bar, here the output is B bar. A bar and B bar is given as an input to an AND gate, so it is A bar dot B bar the whole bar, so which is A plus B, which is an equivalent function of OR gate. And this we have already told, this is a bubbled OR gate. Bubbled OR gate in the sense, bubble present at the input of OR gate is called bubbled OR gate. This bubbled OR gate is equivalent to NAND gate. Okay, similarly bubbled AND gate is equivalent to NOR gate. This you have to always remember while solving this. Bubbled OR gate is equivalent to NAND gate. Bubbled AND gate is equivalent to NOR gate. Similarly, bubbled NAND gate is equivalent to OR gate. Bubbled NOR gate is equivalent to AND gate. These four things you need to keep it in mind. And this is a Boolean function. Say for example, some Boolean function is given over here. It is f is equal to ab plus cd plus e. If you want to implement this Boolean function only in terms of NAND gate or only in terms of NOR gate, first step is you need to draw the normal logic circuit for the given expression. Say for example, the first minterm is AB, so you need an AND gate. Second minterm is CD, so you need second AND gate. Third expression is E. All the minterms are added, so you may be in need of OR gate. So AB plus CD plus C. To add these three inputs, that is A, B, C, D and E, we need a OR gate. Next, what we are going to do, you are going to convert this step, this AND gate. Here we have two AND gate and one OR gate. To convert AND gate to NAND gate, I have already told you need to add bubble at the last. And to convert OR gate to NAND gate, you need to add bubble at the input. Okay. To cancel the bubble, wherever you are adding the bubble, to cancel that, you need to put a equivalent inverter. So assume this is first gate, second gate, and this is third gate. First gate, I am going to add the bubble here, and here there will be an inverter. Input is also I will be adding one bubble. So there will be another inverter here. So the two inverter will get cancelled. That's why we don't draw any inverter. Similarly here also. And this OR gate is, you will be having a 3 bubble at the input of OR gate. So the bubbled OR gate is equivalent to NAND gate. So this is the equivalent NAND circuit for the given Boolean expression. To check whether my given design is, whether the NAND design that we have created is right or wrong, you can just apply the input here. AB is the input, the output will be AB the whole bar. CD is the input, here the output is CD the whole bar and E bar. So the output will be same as that of the given Boolean function. If it is correct, then my design is correct. Next comes the NOR implementation. NOR implementation is converting a logic circuit or a design only in the terms of NOR gate. That is the meaning of NOR implementation. Here example, if you are having a NOR gate, it can be converted to NOR gate by connecting two inputs of NOR gate or by shorting two inputs of NOR gate and giving us a one input. So if A is equal to 1, Q is equal to 0. A is equal to 0, then Q is equal to 1. So this NOR gate will act as an inverter. Say for example, there is an AND gate. I need to convert into NOR circuit. Okay, this is the equivalent NOR circuit for the AND gate. What I should do to convert AND gate to NOR gate? I need to add bubble at the input of the gate. Okay, so if you add a bubble at the input, to cancel the bubble, I will be putting an inverter here. Okay, and these two are the inverters. Okay, and this will become a bubbled AND gate. Bubbled AND gate is again it is an OR gate. In this way we can convert a NAND gate, any circuit, okay, or a Boolean expression only in terms of NAND gate as well as NOR gate. Thank you for listening the video.